Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Kraken xStocks tokenized stock on offer. So here's the breakdown. Kraken's xStocks let eligible users trade tokenized United States stock and ETFs right in the app, meaning you get crypto style access to traditional equities with low minimum and fast settlement. These tokenized assets are backed 1:1 by the real stock of fund, and Kraken offer around 60 of the most popular one to trade. Some of the top xStocks you can trade include big blue chip tech name like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia, all icon of innovation and growth. Other wide tracked names often available include Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and others, giving you a broad exposure to tech and market-wide performance without needing a traditional brokerage. This tokenized stock lets you trade 24/7 and even fractional, so you can start with small amount and build your position over time. Just remember, xStocks don't currently offer shareholder voting right, but they mirror the price movement. So what you need is to focus on the underlying shares to keep your money moving. So if this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section which stock you're adding to your portfolio first. And that's it.